I guess the heritage with the brand is the biggest thing. Every farmer around here had a Massey Ferguson. They know of someone with a Massey Ferguson. We all learnt to drive on a Fergie 24 or something like that. So the passion that everybody in the area has for it over the years is what's kept us going with it, I guess. So this one here's a Ford Ferguson 9N. These were built late 30s, early 40s. It was when Harry Ferguson was joined up with Henry Ford, and they built a tractor together. And yeah, you have a four-cylinder flathead engine. It was half of the Mercury V8, cut in half, and the rest of it was the famous Ferguson system. But yeah, the relationship didn't last long. And after that, Harry Ferguson went on his own into the Ferguson TEAs. And yeah, they were a great tractor. I think almost every farmer, someone's uncle, someone's dad, someone's granddad would have had one at some point. And we all learned to drive on them as kids as well. So a very great bit of history there, especially in New Zealand. Massey Ferguson have always been technology leaders, heading back to their heritage of Ferguson. They were the first to come up with a 3-point linkage system and field start technology, and you know, the revolutionary Massey Ferguson 6290. Just what a great machine that came out then, and Dyna 4 and Dyna 6 transmissions after that, which we are still running today. Just bulletproof machines that always thinking ahead right up to now, the new 8S. It's really they're one step ahead all the time. So the 3-point hitch system, again invented by Harry Ferguson, it really did revolutionise farming. It allowed you to pull your implements up and down. Every implement had to be made for it, which Harry Ferguson did, from mowers to ploughs, transport trays. It just gave you that quick hitch system of lifting the implement up and down, as well as the safety. You're not pulling on the drawbar anymore. It saved a lot of lives, especially when ploughing. You were pulling off drawbars on the back of tractors. 3-point linkage allowed if the plough was to hit a obstruction in the land, a post stump or what have you, it would kick up, hitting the draft spring and relaxing the linkage, and all that would happen is your wheels would skid. So yeah, it definitely had a huge impact on New Zealand farming. A lot of New Zealand was still in bush, and these things come along and they did all the work that broke in New Zealand farms. Yeah. Everyone wants that winch. That's what I get asked about.